this video, I want to talk about how you can record on YouTube TV. Now to do this, what you need to do is simply follow along this little guide, and it's pretty simple. So you want to find the show that you want to record using the live guide or by searching and just find it. Once you've done this, you want to click on the plus icon next to the title or inside of the details page. Now what you want to do after this is you want to look for, there will be a little check mark thing, and when you press on this, it should change into this check mark. And what this means is that you have now added the recording. So after this, you can find the recording inside of your library section. Now in here, just keep in mind that the recordings will be saved for 9 months, and once you add a show to the library, it will automatically record all the future airings of that series. So that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.